Hey, curious minds! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the most astonishing and mind-bending facts that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Buckle up, because today's journey is going to be a wild ride through the realms of science, nature, and history. Did you know there's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways at 5,400 miles per hour? Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some sci-fi movie plot, it's a real place in our universe. Or that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? These incredible creatures are like something out of a fantasy novel, but they exist right here on Earth. Get ready to have your mind blown, because these facts sound fake, but are 100% true. We're about to explore some of the most fascinating and unbelievable truths that science has to offer. First up, let's talk about HD 189733b. This exoplanet is a gas giant, much like Jupiter, but with a twist that makes it one of the most extreme places we've ever discovered. This exoplanet, located 63 light-years away, is a part of the constellation Vulpecula. It's not just its distance that's impressive, but the conditions on this planet are beyond anything we could have imagined. HD 189733b has some of the most extreme weather you can imagine. The winds on this planet reach speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour, which is 7 times the speed of sound. Picture this: violent storms where molten glass rains sideways. The high temperatures cause the silicate particles in the atmosphere to condense into glass, which is then whipped around by the ferocious winds. Yeah, you heard that right, sideways. Imagine the sheer force and danger of such an environment. It's a place where survival would be impossible for any known life form. Imagine stepping outside in that kind of weather. It's like a scene straight out of a nightmare, but it's a reality on HD 189733b. Next, ever wondered how octopuses manage their complex lives underwater? These fascinating creatures are masters of disguise and intelligence. Well, unlike humans, they have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. And get this, their blood is blue. This is because they use a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to transport oxygen, which is more efficient than hemoglobin in cold, low-oxygen environments. Instead of hemoglobin, they have hemocyanin, which is perfect for oxygen transport in cold, low-oxygen environments. This adaptation allows them to thrive in the deep, dark corners of the ocean, where other creatures might struggle. Now, hold on to your seats for this one. We're about to dive into the realm of the truly mind-boggling. A single teaspoon of matter from a neutron star would weigh around 6 billion tons. That's right, just a tiny amount of this incredibly dense material is unimaginably heavy. To put that in perspective, that's about the same weight as Mount Everest. The density of a neutron star is so extreme that it defies our everyday understanding of matter and gravity. Imagine the density and gravity of such a small yet incredibly heavy object. The gravitational pull on a neutron star is so strong that it warps space and time around it, and it doesn't stop there. The universe is full of surprises that challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of what we think is possible. Did you know that bananas are berries but strawberries aren't? It's all about the botanical definitions, which can be quite different from our everyday understanding of fruits. Or that honey never spoils. This natural sweetener has been found in ancient tombs, still perfectly edible after thousands of years. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The unique properties of honey make it resistant to bacteria and spoilage. Also, if you think the pyramids are old, how about this? The Great Pyramid of Giza was already more than 1,000 years old when the last woolly mammoth died. The Great Pyramid of Giza was already more than 1,000 years old when the last woolly mammoth died. This fact puts into perspective just how ancient and enduring these structures are. Talk about a history lesson. The timelines of our planet are filled with such fascinating intersections that reveal the depth and complexity of our past. Which fact shocked you the most? Was it the sideways glass rain, the 3-hearted octopus, or the ancient honey? Comment below and let me know. I'm eager to hear which of these mind-blowing facts left you in awe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insane knowledge videos. Stay curious, my friends. There's always more to discover in this incredible universe of ours.